Hey guys, Mike here, and welcome to my cooking channel. So today we're gonna make chicken in chili ginger sauce. So let's get started. So here we have some chicken leg quarters. They're already cleaned. I washed them and cleaned them with some vinegar. So here are my ingredients for it. This is the sweet chili sauce for chicken. And usually when I'm doing stuff like this, I would season it and let it marinate for at least, there's 24 hours, not 24, like 2 hours. I prefer 24 hours, but because for the sake of time, it's still gonna come out tasting good. So once I do it like this and it's seasoned and everything, I put it in at this baking pan right here. So we find space for it. Okay, in this pan, you will see that there's a grill in the pan, right? And the purpose of this grill is that the chicken is not laying flat on the surface of the pan itself. They're laying on the grill, right? So the purpose of this is because when the chicken start to cook, that grease have to find somewhere to go. So what I'm going to do with this grease, this dripping from the chicken, I'm going to use it and make the original sauce. So this is just the base of it. So now we're going to put it in the oven and so now it's going to stay in the oven for around 2 hours. And while it cooks, then I'll get back to you guys. So now that our chicken is in the oven, getting ready to be cooked, I'm preparing the sauce. What I did, I grated some ginger in the very same drippings from the chicken, right? And here goes with the chili sauce. So we put the chili sauce in there. Right, and if you notice, this is one entire bottle of chili sauce that I use, and that's the way we do it because it gotta have that taste, it gotta have that authenticity about it, right? And so get the oven going, on the stove going. And just this is what it looked like, right? So we pour it in there. So that's the sauce, right? That we're making for chicken. A little bit of tasting. Let's see. Yes. So what we taste there, when we taste it, you can literally taste the ginger in it, right? And I could do some more. This is what I do. I grate it. Remember, it is called chicken in chili ginger sauce, right? So you gotta have that taste. We don't need nothing else to go with it. So like I said, this is the first I'm doing this kind of chicken. I've never heard of chicken in chili ginger sauce before. So let it be known that I am the first person doing this. Okay? So this is my recipe. I just thought about it and said, let me do it. Okay, so So what I did, so so of course, you know, I pour all my chili sauce in there, grated the ginger in it, and it's already seasoned, so I don't need to put any more seasoning in it. I just grated the ginger, the chili sauce, and then I decided to put a little bit of sugar in it, right, to give it a little sweetness to it. And of course, this is stevia sugar. You know, you can use whatever sugar you want. Remember, it's a simple recipe, right? So I use a combo season, right? You know, you can use chicken season if you need, if you chose to, right? You know, it doesn't matter as long as it's seasoning. And of course, like you know, and I also do this. You know, what came to mind now, what for me, I'm gonna mix this season along with this one, right? Because I'm gonna use it in the future, and of course, you know, my ginger thing here. So these are stuff that we can use, a little bit of pepper, and I use ginger extra. So what I'm gonna do, that just comes to mind. You see, you gotta be creative when you're in your kitchen, right? And this is what come to mind. I said, why not just blend this together, right? That's it. You know, so there it goes. It's really giving, you know, I'm stirring it while it's kind of getting warm to the point it's gonna get hot. You know, you gotta constantly watch it because it's a gravy, it's a thickness, and if you leave it for even 5 minutes, what will eventually happen? The pot might boil over, and when the pot boils over, what happens? Your stuff is waste. You know, so like I said, like I can tell you this, chicken, for me, I do believe that chicken can cook in 600 different ways. I just use the word 600. You can think of any ways you want to cook chicken, right? But the beauty about it is that no matter what you do, it's gonna come out good. But you gotta pay attention to every details of what you're doing. You know, just be creative when you're in the kitchen. That's the whole, and that's the whole part of it. Cooking is an art, right? And you gotta take it seriously. You gotta love what you're doing. I do love what I'm doing, you know. And like I said, you see, if I leave the pot like this, right, what will happen? It will boil over. If you notice, it's doing this thing. It's getting thicker and thicker and thicker, right? So what I'm gonna do now, it's like this, right? I am going to take out the chicken from the oven. I'm going to take the chicken from the oven, right? Turn this off. Now I'm going to take the chicken out of the oven. I did turn it just to get this side, you know, having a little color, right? So now, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to turn it over. If you see, one side of the chicken is really good. So this is what I can do, right? And this is what I just came to mind. You know, I can do this. Put the chicken inside here, right? Turn it there. I'm just showing you creative way. You know, I just being creative in the kitchen. Right, so. And now that I've done the finishing touch for the chicken, I've poured the sauce over the entire chicken now. So I'm going to put it back in the oven for at least 20 more minutes or less, just to get it marinate. And then when it comes out, you will see the finished product. I'm so pleased, I'm so happy so far what I have done. And feel free to just ask questions in the comments here, and I will give you all the information that you need in terms of recipe. You know, I'm here to it's like, for me, it's a teaching moment. You know, so while I'm cooking this food here, I'm going to teach everyone to, you know, it's less expensive, meaning that it doesn't mean that you can just do fried chicken only. There are so many different ways that you can do chicken. Like I said, you know, I said there's 600 different ways that you can do chicken, right? And this is one way. This is my first time, and I've never, I'm going to do my research and see if there was anyone who actually done chicken in chili ginger sauce before. So when it comes out, you will see the finished product, and please comment. Amen. So now that it's finished now, so I'm going to show you all the finished product. This is what I've been taking it out of the oven. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
This is so good. It's really good. Chicken is cooked to perfection, and I can really taste the ginger through this, which is really good. And it's really good. The sauce is amazing, and it's not too gingery, which is great. So for somebody who's thinking that it's a whole overpowering of ginger, it's not. It's really good. Hats off to Chef Mike for this amazing garlic, roasted potatoes, and ginger chili sauce chicken. The bomb.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you all comment below what next you want me to cook. I'll be happy to do it for you guys. Peace, love, blessing, but God. guys, Mike here, and welcome to my So today we are gonna make something new. Drum roll, please.
Okay.
What we're making today, it is called So today we're gonna make something new. Drum roll, please.
Please have the outros for me.
Okay. Make sure you comment what, yeah.